When people want to learn new skills without paying for subscriptions, two platforms come up constantly: YouTube Learning and Skillshare Free. Both offer creative lessons, personal development content, and tutorials for almost anything you want to learn. But the experience is very different, and the best choice depends on how structured you want your learning to be. Let's start with YouTube Learning. YouTube has become the world's largest library of free educational videos. Whether you want lessons in photography, business, fitness, software, or creative arts, you can find instructors from every background. One of the biggest strengths of YouTube is variety. You can learn from teachers all over the world, each with their own style and perspective. That gives you an incredible amount of choice. YouTube Learning is also great for quick answers. If you want help with a specific technique or tool, you can search and find a tutorial instantly. The platform's recommendation engine suggests related topics, which keeps your learning journey flexible and fluid. For self-motivated learners, this level of freedom feels empowering. Now let's talk about Skillshare Free. Skillshare is known for its premium library, but it also offers a selection of free classes taught by artists, designers, entrepreneurs, and creators. These free classes feel more structured than your average YouTube video. They follow a clear format with guided steps, project-based activities, and a beginning-to-end learning pathway. Skillshare Free also maintains a calm, distraction-free environment. There are no recommended videos pulling you away, and the platform focuses entirely on teaching. For learners who struggle with distractions or want a more intentional learning experience, this structure is helpful. So which one is the best free skill platform? If you value limitless content and flexible learning, choose YouTube Learning. If you prefer curated lessons with a defined path and a calm creative space, choose Skillshare Free. Both platforms help you grow new skills without spending a cent. The right one depends on how you like to learn and how much structure you want in your creative journey.